How to favorite restaurants on UberEats. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can favorite restaurants on UberEats. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, you'll need to search for UberEats and open that up. Make sure you're logged in into your account. So while you do that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So let's get into it. So right here, you can find your different shops. So let's search for, so let's say I want Starbucks here. So I'll just head over to Starbucks. To favorite the restaurant, tap on this heart icon on the top. And that restaurant is now favorited. And it's basically that simple. And yeah, if I want, I can simply choose to favorite it from here as well. Tap on the heart icon. And that's basically how you do it. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. Take care.